So in this video we will see the assignment operator in Python. So these are the list of assignment operator I have taken from ChatGPT. So assign value x equal to 5, this assign value operator. Add and assign plus equal to x plus equal to 3. मतलब x की वैल्यू कितनी थी? The value of x was 5. x plus equal to 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. x plus equal to 3, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? x equal to x plus 3. Add and assign operator. Subtract and assign. Symbol is minus equal to. X minus equal to 2 means what? X equal to x minus 2. Multiply and assign. Multiply and assign. X into equal to 4 means x equal to x into 4. Divide and assign operator. Okay. X divided by equal to 2. This is the same as x equal to x by 2. Floor divide and assign. This is the operator x. This is the example. Modulus and assign. This is the example. Exponent and assign. This is the example. We'll see the example. हम example देखें. Bitwise and assign and equal to. Okay. Next is equal to bitwise or and assign. This is symbol. Okay, this is symbol. This is symbol. Note down. This is little bit complicated. Bitwise XOR and assign. Bitwise XOR and assign. X. These are very basics. These are useful question in the campus placement. Bitwise right shift and assign. Right shift and assign. Okay. Bitwise left shift and assign. Left shift and assign. Okay. Let us see simple example. I copy this code. School example. Just type install Python. Type IDLE. Type start IDLE. Enter here and go to file. New file. Paste your code here. Okay. So already I have done this. I will show it immediately to you. Okay. Control A. Control V.